Hi, good morning. The Let me post this in the group. The market is already moving, especially oil here. Also, heads up, trading is risky. Make sure you understand the risk of trading before you trade. This is on my website if you want to check it out. All right. We are in this oil trade, green, $1,100. This is why I'm on so early. It's only 9:11 in the morning. It's Tuesday, September 19th. I'm super early today, but we can hang out and have fun because I wanted you guys to see some of this oil action. It's green, almost $1,100 here, $1,080 on one contract. Sometimes I wonder if I can make this bigger. And the trail is moving itself up. It's following along. So that is nice. I wonder if I should change the candles to like a different color. Like a yellow or something. Should I do that? I feel like you can't see the green because of the color of the background. Ooh, look at
Order
that.
filled.
See how that was better? Oh, all right. So it took profit there. $970 on one contract of oil. It got long here at 1 a.m. So it's been in this trade for 8 hours. And it came through 91.31. It went down to 91. So at one point it was only as red as $300. Here, 91.60 it was, or 91.70 it was up 400. Pulled back and then went up. Hey, good morning, Blaze. Good morning, Tony. I have something really fun for you guys today. I know the people in my group already know about it, but people that are not in the group do not know about it. All right, so also I have found a strategy for lean cattle. Lean cattle, something like that. Live cattle. All right, let me clean this up because now we're back to the regularly scheduled program. I am in a YM long. It's red, about $500, so we'll see what happens there. Tomorrow is FOMC, well, the continuation. Today it starts FOMC, but tomorrow is the continuation. Let's get some zones on here. It's a little low. Let's pull this up a bit. This is how I set up my stuff. I really wish NinjaTrader had the option to have 4 charts in a square like this instead of me having to put them side by side. But they don't. They only have a tab system. Also, if you're looking to get any Apex accounts, the sale is still happening. And that is going on. That is happening until next Wednesday. I keep saying Tuesday, but it's Wednesday. Oh, my YM might get stopped. It's still only red $500. Oh, we might get in we're probably going to get in a gold trade here. So we can watch that together. I actually tried to take the short on gold around 56.6, but then I got out of it before my student call. I was like, you know what? Sometimes I get in my own way too, and I'm like, why am I doing this? Like, the algo will just do it when it's going to happen. So it's really not that big of a deal. Also, I'm going to add gold. So I started running CL waves and gold waves as of today. And then live cattle and is the other one natural gas and natural gas.
Order submitted.
I'm going to have to get Irma to run those for me. Please hit that thumbs up as you come in. I don't think live cattle trades every day. I think it's more of like a once a week kind of thing. But I want to track the data, so that's what I'm thinking. Sorry, I'm updating the spreadsheet. Oil's only a Monday and Friday play. Something like that. And I think they're fine. So, oh, this is going to be the same thing. All right, so gold is in a short. It's 9:17. The market's going to open in about 13 minutes. I ended up making $2,000 yesterday because NQ later hit target, and then that was it. ES later did hit target yesterday, but we don't run ES later on Mondays, so yeah. Yes, EV, you can put that in the student chat too. Oh wait, you're not a student, that's why. Alright, we're pulling back to the zone here. Shut up! One of my members made $4,000 on oil. That is crazy. Listen, sometimes I feel like I'm such a punk compared to my members because I'm like, what? What? Like, how am I not getting this action? I also attribute it to being very busy, but maybe that's an excuse. I don't know. I don't think it's an excuse. I'm definitely very busy. So he was running the oil setup that I just had up here on Waves, which made $1,000, and he had 4 contracts on it. So he made $4,000. Insane. Insane in the membrane. And that's the thing, like if people have the kind of like risk in their blood, or they're willing to take that risk, they can do some big things. Also, I have these like eye patches on. I'm going to be taking those off because they're pretty much just drying out now. Waking up my eyes. Oh, yeah. I didn't sleep that well last night. I was tired. Thanks for the hearts. You come in, say good morning, hit that thumbs up, please. If the chat is in your way on YouTube, just hide the chat. And then hit a thumbs up. Give your girl some love. Gold is in this short. It's red. It was green like $30 and then it pulled back. I'm also in a long of YM that's red as well. It's red like $600 now. Today might be a tough day. Tomorrow's FOMC, but we can compare this to the last time we had FOMC and see how Tuesday was. I think it was fine. Yeah, it was good there. I'm scrolling back through the old. I need to put my glasses on today. Oh, yes, it was very good in January. Everything was green. NQ range was green. ES range, RTY. Santa was green. Oil was green. Let's see, when was the one after that? And then, the Tuesday. Oh, well, we don't do early today anyway, so that's fine. The Tuesday prior in March was red, ES was red, and NQ was red. But YM was green and oil was green. And then we had one in April. Oh, that's the last time night was red. Oh, shit, because... Oh, no, it didn't take a trade last night, so that's fine. But I wonder if that's interesting for the premium nights, because it had a green trade and then it had a red trade. So I wonder if I should put that in there as just like some helpful information. Not the Tuesday rename or comment. No Tuesday before FOMC. Okay. That's interesting. But our night was fine. I wonder if I should also put that on our regular night, so I know it in the future. But then even June, we had FOMC. Everything was green. NQ was green. NQ was green. Gold was green. Gold was green. So it's kind of just a hit or miss. Not sure if the data is overwhelming in any sense. So then in July, we had FOMC. And the Tuesday before, NQ early was green, NQ later was green, ES was green, and ZB was green. So yeah, it seems like it's like a mixed bag. Hi, good morning. Last FOMC was great. Good morning. Yeah, I just went through all of them since January of 2023. Well, I wonder if the question is, do all FOMCs have an interest rate decision being made? Because maybe that could also play into this. I know there were some other ones that did have an interest rate decision, but like, did the one in July have one? Maybe not. You know what I'm saying? So that could be a factor as well that maybe we're not thinking about. It's 9:23. I'm going to get on TikTok in a few minutes. I'm in a gold short and I'm in a YM long, and they're both red, which is okay because things happen. Hey, Jared. What else was I just going to discuss for a second? I'm not sure. Oh. There will be no live morning call on Friday. If Jen wants to do it, I'll ask her. But I will be away at the beach, so I will not be live on Friday. Jen will be live Thursday afternoon. I'll be live Thursday morning, and she'll be live Friday afternoon. The other thing I was going to talk about is, today I have a call at... Is it at 10:30? Yeah, I think it's right at 10:30. So I'm going to need to get off a few minutes early to just get on that call. Yeah, it's at 10:30. Oh, I can't stop yawning because I did not sleep well at all last night, so which means I'll sleep well tonight. All right. What am I looking at now? I want to go to this. And I feel like my eyes are burning. Is the invite in here? Yeah. Where is the meeting invite? Oh. Oh, yeah, it could be in here. All right. Where are we at? It's 9:25. We have 5 minutes till the market opens. Gold's back at the line. YM is still red, $600. So we got to get a good open here. We need gold to drop, and we need YM to run. And yesterday, YM was doing the opposite of ES and NQ, so I'm not, like, super worried that they're going in different directions. It seemed like gold has been following NQ lately, but if you could compare them here, really they're not, because, oh, can you guys see this? Really not, because this is just continuing to move down, and gold just keeps coming back to this 56 level. I'll just have to get a drop from there. All right, 4 minutes till the market opens. I'm going to get on TikTok in a second. I need to be. Laura, it's not 9:30 yet, girl. But good job. Where are we at? Oh, I see it, Laura. That's really pretty. Do you guys see this resistance here? Like, that's insane. Zoop, 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 zoop. Let me go to... Sam said, I can't wait to get some charts and I'll go set up in a few hours. Stupid day job. Ugh. You called it and I took it. All right, Laura. I'm proud of you. I'm proud of you. I am. Good job, Laura. Are you the one that has a TikTok and it's like the username is like Illy or something? I was trying to figure out who that was last night. I was like, I think that's Laura, but I didn't know. Oof, oof, oof. NQ's ready. NQ's ready. It's like, I'm just ready to go. So you'll see if gold follows it. Was that you, Laura, or is that not you? Also, yes. So I saw you. Your video was so good. You need to keep posting those because you had a lot of people looking at them too. And then you can refer people and get the referral bonus, benefits. Yeah, because that was a really good video. Like, what you were saying was really good. What you were showing was really good. So, good job. Keep it up. Here's the performance. Profit per month, $54,000. What the? Oh, it must be waves. It must be waves. Yeah. Nice job. Nice job, job. He's been running it since last week, since the 15th, and he's made $4,000. So I guess he was only running one contract. So Friday,
order filled.
Monday, Tuesday. YM gets stopped. Yeah, YM got stopped. Okay. That's okay. Oh, it's 9:30. I gotta get on TikTok, y'all. But now we need a drop from gold because if I'm gonna get stopped on YM, then I at least need gold to go there. It can't be like both, you know what I'm saying? It was like one or the other. I'm fine with.
I'm tired of having...
Alright, I'm getting on TikTok. I am so behind here. Well, not really. I guess I just got distracted. Alright, I'm on TikTok. Feel free to come over there or do both or share it or whatever. I need to take care of those today. I have a little surprise. I'm really excited. Oh, the market is just a dropping. Can gold just follow NQ like it normally does? Let's do that. Gold. Little stubborn ass. We're all the way down to 327 on NQ. So, hi, welcome. It's Tuesday. Today is Tuesday, September 19th. Oh, it's my parents' anniversary. Gotta wish them a happy anniversary. Anyway, if you're new here, my name's Lauren. I go live every day showing you my auto trading algorithms on the futures market. Yes, Evie, please share that link in the group. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. Yeah, there's literally two. There are 275 very, very happy people in my group. Bye FX. He's probably just trying to sell his. Remove. You can tell I hated my job, Laura said. Right. Wait, where are we at with gold? All right, gold's coming back. Yeah, so I think it's quite normal. Someone was bringing up the fact that, you know, not all people are going to love me or love the system. We in here, big baby, yes. But just to touch on it for a second, I work really, really hard, and I do everything I can to help people successfully run the algorithms and make lots of money, especially while utilizing Apex, which then risks no capital of their own. However, I can't help stupid. So if somebody doesn't listen, if they refuse to listen, if they refuse to follow directions, I can't help them because they are most likely, like 75% of the time, going to lose because they're not following direction and they're not listening and they really don't know the first thing about anything. So I can't help those people, and I'm sorry, but I guess it's just what is that, Darwin, or is that somebody else? Like survival of the fittest. I don't know what else to say, because I give you step-by-step instructions on how to set up the algorithm. I highlight the spreadsheet where it says, you know, these are the strategies that new members mostly run. We're in this short of gold, and it's coming back to entry, which is nice. But there are people that will ignore everything I say, or they'll ignore everything Irma says. They'll ignore, you know, the spreadsheet, and they'll just do whatever they want. And then those people lose, and then those people go and say, oh, the bot doesn't work, and this isn't fair, and life is unfair. So the point is, don't believe everything you see online, but believe some of it. And I understand that there are people that probably have had not so good. Yeah, so true. I want to refer people, but people complain about pricing and are disrespectful. You're capping the group at a certain point. Anyway, I'm not going the extra mile for people who don't take the risk. Yeah, Miguel, that too. Now, you can get there is a referral bonus, so referring people would benefit you, Miguel. But I understand what you're saying. If you think these people are more like gamblers and it's just like YOLO, then they're probably not going to be good for the group.
Target filled.
RTY took a trade and hit target on range, but we don't run RTY on Tuesdays, so that's not a me play, but that's okay. Good to see anyway. The problem with dummies is that there's proof that the bot works, so pay attention. Yeah, but there's still, it's not even about being dumb, I don't think. And, you know, I'm not trying to offend anyone here. It's really more about people just being stubborn and hard-headed, and then they don't want to listen. They think they know more than the algorithm. They think they know more than me, even though, like, most of these people have never traded futures before in their life. So how do you know more than me, but you've never traded futures before? Like, okay. At the end of the day, it doesn't matter. There's going to be people. There's going to be people that don't like me. There's going to be people that don't like the system, and I'm okay with that. I'm honestly okay with that, because I have 275 people that really love the system and are very happy in the program. I have a surprise, but I can't show you guys yet. Imagine buying a service someone created and then telling that person how it works. Right, Milo? As a student, I can tell you just listen to what the team tells you. It works. Very nice. Who is that? User 100. People are stubborn. People are so stubborn, especially grown men that are stuck in their ways. Not to put all men out there, but a lot of grown men are super stubborn. And they don't have the ability to detach from, like, because if they're a really smart person, say in a different field, like construction or, I don't know, whatever field that's not trading futures, they think, oh, well, I'm a smart person, so I could probably move this around and make it better for myself or do this or do that. Like, you think if I could make the stop loss smaller, I would make the stop loss smaller. If I could make the target at this point bigger, I would make the target bigger. But I do a lot of research and a lot of due diligence in the current market and what's working and what's not working. So that then benefits my members. So somebody that thinks they know more and then they just kind of do their own thing, typically are not going to be profitable. Are you talking about me, El Boogie? No. No, Andon, I'm not talking about you. Why would people not like what is that? Oh, you hadn't said that before. Oh, it's Roderick. Awesome, Roderick. So, I don't know. You know, they say focus on one thing that you're good at. And yeah, if you're good at construction or you're good at being a teacher, like that should be your focus. But don't try to come to my business, which is my focus, and think that you know more than me or that you know my algorithms better than I do. Because
Order submitted.
Because it's not true.
Target filled.
Ooh, target filled on what? All right, gold is finally moving down here. Remember, oil had a $970 trade. What? Did RTY hit again? Maybe that's what it was. RTY hit twice. Damn. All right, I have a surprise for y'all. Hopefully in a few minutes. William says, trust the bot. Yes, trust the bots. Yes, this was true today and only sell. Yes, it was on waves. Okay, cool. Very cool, very cool. Yeah, if y'all didn't see, I came on very early because we were in this long of oil, and it's $1,000 trade. It started at 1 a.m. and it just ended at 9:11, and it made $1,000 with one contract. Missed it. Micros didn't take another RTY trade. Yeah, well, it's going to be a little different on micros. But again, we shouldn't be running RTY on Tuesday anyway, Andon. RTY is no longer a Tuesday play. Remember, the Apex sale ends next Wednesday, so 8 days from today, the 27th. So if you want any more Apex accounts or you're new here and you're thinking about using the algorithm but you don't want to risk any of your own capital, you can use a prop firm or a company that gives you a funded account. Apex is the one that we recommend, apextraderfunding.com. They will give you a $50,000 account for $34. You have to pass an evaluation. And then after you pass the evaluation, you pay a one-time fee of $140, and then you never pay them anything else again. The first $25,000 you make is yours, and then after that, it's a 90-10 split, where they keep 10% of all your profits, and you keep 90%. You can withdraw twice per month, and it goes right into your bank account. I bought Apex sale and next week. My cousin has 9 PA accounts and not one manual trade was taken. That's so important. Like, Will, that's so important. Sorry, I'll turn it off. Yeah. And then go look at the spreadsheet. Everything is bright yellow. That's been updated. I said I was early today and I'll run it tonight. Okay. Okay. Whatever you say. Whatever you say. I'm waiting for gold to come back down. I have such a surprise and I can't even tell you guys about it. And it's like killing me. Like, I'll be able to tell you hopefully in a little bit. Some people in the group already know about it. Not much, Mike. What's 70 times $4? Bright yellow, Andon. Bright yellow. Hey, hi. If you're new here, my name's Lauren. I go live every day, 9:30 to 10:30, and then 2 to 3 p.m. Can I use the bot with Apex account? Yes. Yes, you can. Cecile or Celie. You can use the bot with Apex. You can use it with Lilu. You can use it with Take Profit Trader or OneUp or Trader, whatever. Remember, today is the start of FOMC, and tomorrow is the FOMC conference, or, you know, Powell's going to speak tomorrow. The interest rate decision is going to be made. So we could have a little bit of a slower day today, and then tomorrow morning is definitely going to be slower. And I've already talked about that with my students on the student call. Let's see if gold is ready to give me that drop. If you like the stream, please tap the screen or give a thumbs up on YouTube. If you're on YouTube and you see the chat and you don't see a thumbs up, just minimize the chat and then give a thumbs up. All right, I'm going to get out of here. I found setups for live cattle, like cows, I guess that's what those are. Cows, natural gas. Look, this is cattle over here on the bottom. It only trades like at the market open, like during the regular like stock market hours. It doesn't trade all the time. This is live cattle. This is natural gas. And they are killers. Like, when I pulled the data, well, now I just minimized it, but I put it in the premium channel last night.
Order submitted.
I think cattle's more of like a buffer. RTY zones is in a short. Bold zones ES is in a long. And hold on, I'm going to scroll up and see. The cattle was more of a buffer. It's like $500 a month. Natural gas, however, is $900 a month, and the drawdown is only $1,700. Yeah, listen, I'm open to it. I feel like we've gotten in a really good place with the indices, and also on premium, the waves, gold, and oil look really, really good. So I feel like I have a little bit of time to venture out. And last night I was like, well, let me look at natural gas. And then I was like, I was trying to find something for corn, and corn is just, I don't know, it's not working for me at the moment. So we'll see. But I found live cattle, and that looked really good. So I was like, and I think the drawdown is like $300 on the whole year. The live cattle, hold on, I'll show you guys the screenshot I put in premium last night. And William, you can see that because you're in there. This is the live cattle breakdown. 70%. The drawdown is $500 on the entire year, January to September 18th, which was yesterday. No. NQ early, we don't run on Tuesdays, Blue. It's, again, highlighted in the spreadsheet. But no, it has not traded at all. RTY on the short is green. Hold on, wait. So let me put that back up there for live cattle. The drawdown is $500. Also, the risk to reward on the live cattle and on natural gas is 1-to-1. So you're risking $540 to make $510. So that risk to reward is great. No worries. I'm sure you'll be fine, but just keep it in mind. I'm not sure what that one was. Oh, that was ES early on zones. ES early on zones just made $250. That's down here at the bottom of the screen on the bright pink and purple board. Still waiting for gold to come back down. I'm not sure what's going on with gold. So yeah, the drawdown on the entire year is 500. It's had 15 losses total, but only had 2 back-to-back. The max drawdown was $540, and it's made $4,200 on the year. And that's just with one mini. So, and again, down here it says the average per month is $500. So yeah, it's a pretty fun one. I'm excited. Just to be like, oh, we're trading live cattle. Like, I don't really even know what that means, but I like it. I like the sound of it. I have my tea. It's 9:46. Y'all, today's a busy day. I said this earlier, but I'm going to have to get off at like 10:25 because I have a 10:30 call and to 11, and then I have an 11 to 12 call. And then later today, there's soccer, and then I have a student call at 9:30 tonight. Busy. My afternoon actually is clearer than it was. We were supposed to meet in person, but the person's child is sick, so we're no longer going to meet in person. 3 Longhorns, please. What is that? What about coffee or orange juice? Yeah, I haven't looked at those, Blaze. I could. Coffee really only trades like a few hours a day because I tried trading it back in like 2020 or 2021. You can trade orange juice like any Morphean trading places. Maybe. They just don't have, I would assume they don't have as much liquidity. ES Zones is in another long here. The cattle, LOL. I would just, and that's the whole thing why I haven't gotten into agriculture. Listen, that's why I haven't gotten into those yet because, hi Ricky, it seems like gold is going to get stopped. Listen, I need something to hit so I can show you guys my surprise. This is so annoying. Red on the day. But I'm like even on the week now because what I've lost today is what I made yesterday. But also ES hasn't traded yet, NQ, well I'm not running NQ. I just want gold to turn around and come back down. And, you know, it could happen. Things are just super tight right now, and I think it's because FOMC. ES is acting unusual. Yeah, it's FOMC. I think it's because it's FOMC. Also, across most of the strategies, Tuesday is the worst performing day. Like, I'm not even kidding. Even on natural gas and stuff, it's so weird. It's like Tuesday is just the worst performing. Like, what? What? Oh, make a thing sound like that would have been the better trade pre-market. Oh, and I think there's like drama with oil in general. Probably because of Saudi Arabia, whatever. So what was I saying before that? I was saying something else. Also, I was looking at stock stuff last night because I always want to bring it back to stocks with the zones or the line because they're so easy to also just like take small shares and make some money every day, even if it's like an extra $100 or $200 a day. Yeah, like it's so boring. Look at this. I'm literally bored. So bored. FOMC. But, oh, William, don't forget. What are we doing tomorrow afternoon? Scalper, baby. Scalper is life during FOMC. But yeah, the biggest thing about agricultural products is that I feel like they don't have a lot of liquidity. Most people are not trading them. If people are trading futures, they're trading ES, they're trading oil, they're trading gold. That's like the main ones. And then NASDAQ obviously is amazing. But yeah, super boring today. I'm going to take a nap. Tell me when something hits target so I can show you guys my surprise. I think it's because of the interest rate decision too. Honestly. They know that's coming tomorrow, so people might just be like, you know what, I'm just going to wait. I think that might be the difference. Jen, I wonder when the last interest rate decision was made. Can we look that up? And then compare the results to that Tuesday? My goals got real close to stopping there. You see that? What? Okay. Who is
Target filled.
Something hit target.
Order submitted.
I'm not sure who this person is. Do we know who that was? I have no idea. YM Zones is in a short. Everything that's in a trade is not on my live account. So, except for this gold that was green maybe $50 and then has since just been super boring. It's above the line too, so I don't really love much of this anymore. If I get stopped, I get stopped. You know, it's pretty much there, so it's not a big deal. If it happens, it happens. ES early is, look at these wicks. NQ early. Again, I'm not running NQ early live today, so it doesn't really matter, but maybe we'll take a short. All right. Let's drop. Let's just drop the shit out of this. Were there any reports today, Jen? That's another thing. I guess I didn't notice that. We got an ears early to talk it shit, right? Me too. Come on, just break through the bottom ES. We all want a short. Just give it to us. RTY's 2 for 2 on the day. There were no night trades, no ES night, no NQ night. RTY is green. $250. But we don't run RTY on Tuesdays. All the market makers chilling with J. Paul. Right. They're all just hanging out, sipping some bourbon at 10 in the morning. This is why I've minimized the past few months, because it's so much to scroll down.
Target filled.
Whatever that was. Was that was the RTY zones. Hit target. YM and RTY are both 100 on the day on premium. RTY zones 100, YM 100. That works. Also 250 on ES early. Oh, ES early zones is a no for today anyway, but we'll put that there just for the data purposes. All right, I need to put RTY range. It's 2 for 2. GC range we're still waiting on. Also, we're waiting on any other range trades. ES. Can we let's get a drop. NQ is with the program, but even NQ early hasn't traded yet. It probably will after this. But ES is so tight. I don't know what ES is doing here. They're just holding it. I need ES to drop so then gold can drop and we can get back to some profits here. Yeah, Miguel, you're probably right.
Order submitted. Target filled.
Oh, NQ early. Blue, if you're still on but you're driving, NQ early hit target. Target hit for NQ early. Now we just need ES. Look at this boring ass shit with ES. Gold is following ES right now. We need ES to drop the shit. So anyone that had NQ early live eggs, it hit target. We just need ES to drop so ES early can trade and so gold can go down and hit target. I'm sorry I'm yawning. I know. I am definitely tired today, but I'm going to get my energy up in a minute. Maybe I'll get I blanked and NQ went to target. Yeah, exactly. Me and ES are going to fight. I'm usually done by now. I know. What is this? It's 9:56. Usually by 9:37, 9:38, 9:39, I'm like, all right, I'm up $1,000. Instead, I'm waiting for gold to freaking shit the bed here, and I need ES to just move down. Down, down, down. Down, down, down. I had to clean my glasses. It's so weird being so slow at 9 a.m., 10 a.m. Like, what? All right, finally, ES is giving us a bit of a drop here, which is helping gold. Gold, come on, just drop the shit. Gold really needs to get under and stay under 55.7. This area. Actually, it's right here. Gosh, that's far up. Like, I thought it was all the way down here, and it's not. All right, let's go. Can we get some actual moves here? NQ is the only pretty thing so far on the day. Gold looks like shit. ES looks like shit. Look at this consolidation. This is gross. I figured we would get some morning movement before the chop. Yeah, no, this is like real. This is what I expected for tomorrow, not today. My eyes are burning. I'm so tired. I'm standing up because my energy levels are so low. You know those little like circle things that you would turn inside out and they're rubber and you would sit them on a table and then they would pop? I'm playing with one right now. You can hear it popping off my desk. Let's drop. It's 9:58. 2 minutes till we see if we get another trade or not. If you're new here, we go live every day, Monday through Friday, 9:30 to 10:30 and 2 to 3 p.m. Make sure you follow along. Tap that screen. Yes, Irma. Irma's so late to the conversation. It is a no, Vic, and I mentioned that several times. I even put in the chat if anyone had it live. Some people had it live. Some people don't pay attention. Unlike you, Vic, some people don't notice the bright, bright yellow in the spreadsheet. And today, that was lucky for them. Let's go, gold. Drop that shit. But that's not a good plan for life, is to not pay attention. So you are right, Vic. I had it on bright yellow. I have it on simulation. Pretty much most people have it on simulation. There's like 3 or 4 people. There were also people in the chat this morning that personally asked like how bad Tuesdays were, because I think they were willing to take the risk, and I explained it in the chat, so you could go and read that. Easy. I saw the yellow, and that's why I took a micro lower risk. Yeah, but still, there's no reason to even take a micro. If it's red on the year, you think micro is it's just going to be smaller red. What? I'm talking about your RTY. And
Order submitted.
Order submitted. Let's drop. Drop this shit. It's 10 o'clock. Drop it, drop it. It's funny because we'll get in a trade at 10 o'clock and then the church bells ring probably like
Target filled.
15 seconds later. All right, ES. ES gave me my $300. Thank God. I needed some shit today. ES, we need some green apples in the chat. Where are the green apples at? Now gold, come on now. Now gold can actually move down. Yes, ES early. We need some green apples in the chat. Now we can just plummet. Just drop. Green apples in the chat. Yeah. Oh, wait. I almost forgot. This is the whole thing that I was waiting for. Did that wake everyone up? Did that wake everyone up? I forgot that's what I was waiting for. I like those green hearts, Gregory. I'll take it. Was not expecting that. I posted it in the announcements yesterday. It's so obnoxious. I love it. Gold, can you get your shitty act together? I'm driving, girl. Hopefully nobody got in an accident over that, the blowhorn noise thing. I'm still standing up because I'm going to fall asleep if I sit back down. I need gold to get under 55.7 and go the fuck down. Drum roll. What in the Afro beats was that? It's a blowhorn and then it cheers. I got it on Amazon the other day. I said, oh, this will be fun. I wanted, you can get a button that says whatever you want. So I could have gotten one and recorded, like, I don't know, Target filled or eggs or green apple or whatever. But I was like, I'll get this and see. Tell me something good about gold. It didn't get stopped yet. Let me find you're a DJ at heart. No, that was the surprise. This was the surprise. All right, we gotta wait. Let's see if gold hits, then I can hit it again. Y'all are gonna get real annoyed. You're gonna put the volume on like 1 on days when we actually hit like NQ early and ES back to back. I'm not doing it for anything in simulation. I'm only doing it for setups that I have live. So see, I didn't hit it for ES zones. I didn't hit it for NQ early because those are in simulation. But I hit it for ES early on range. Yes, yes. We're back to entry on gold. You need a DJ to make you some BB beats. Yeah, well, who's a DJ? I don't know any damn DJs. I'm old. I dated a guy in high school. That was kind of like one of those break dancers. I was always real embarrassed. You know, like secondhand embarrassed. And I'm like, oh, so good. Let's drop gold. Drop that. Now it's got to break 54. That seemed to be an area prior. If it can break 54, we can go back to 53.8. We need 52. 53.3. Damn, well, the cat is out of the bag. I make beats. Oh, okay, Andon. Well, make me some samples and then let me see what they sound like. I don't even know what that would be, honestly. The ES chop. Oh, is it because it was too small? Because this short would have been amazing. 01 to 05. That's probably what it is. I might need to make ES chop smaller. Because this short on ES chop would have been amazing. At 01, and that would have been an EC 500, it's down to 78. So like 25 points on ES out of the chop. Get the hell out of here. We got people posting in results already. What do you mean already? It's freaking like, hello. And it's almost 10:30 at this point. Gold is, JJ needs some beats for her stream. Yeah, she needs something better than elevator music. That's for sure. Let's go, gold. Break 54. Then you gotta break like 53.3. There we go. We're in the 53s on gold. Come on. Break 53. I think it was actually 53.8 maybe. No, 53.3 is the next tough level. Done. See you tomorrow, market. Nice job, EV. EV posted 1,000, 2,500. Michael, done. Happy Tuesday. $500 on all. What is this? $9,000 on the bottom, Michael. Are those manual trades, Michael? Laura got 9, 10, 11, 12, 1,400 off the student call. We got to get some emojis for our friends in the results channel. We need to do some blooping. What? It's all good. Oh, and it said, who's JJ? Just Jen. Just Jen. Not Jen, but just Jen. Gold. Yeah, this is like painful. As soon as this freaking gold trade is over, I'm getting off the stream. Also, I need to get off at like 10:25 anyway, because I have that 10:30 call. Let's see if this pops again. We gotta break. No, we gotta stay under 54. We gotta stay under 54. And then, there we go, 54, get under. And then we gotta break 53.3. Excuse me. And then we gotta go to 52.3. Dan said we need BoldBot music for sure. Well, and it's on you. Charge it to my head and not my heart. What? Alright, just make me some beats, Andon. Enough of the small talk here. So gold has gone as green as $100 so far in this single trade that it's been in for quite some time. We gotta break 53.3. Oh my gosh, the yawning is horrible. I was up till like midnight maybe. I wasn't really that tired, and then I just couldn't fall asleep. Wake up. I know. I need someone to come shake me. Like, shake, 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 shake. No, I might actually go get, like, I know I don't drink coffee, but do you guys ever do, like, those protein drinks with, like, a shot of espresso? I actually don't mind that, so I might do that after. I have 2 back-to-back calls, so I have to stay awake for those. But then maybe I'll get it after, because the rest of the day is also very busy. Like, I have a student call until 10:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Like a one-on-one session. I'm going to be exhausted. Morning, Dr. Delton. How are you? So I have a meeting at 10:30, and then I have another meeting at 11. And then I'll go get my shot of espresso. Or I could just take a nap, you know, one or the other. I took a nap on Sunday. I don't know what it is about Sundays. You know how people post, but it's like super true, where you have the football game on. I would always fall asleep during halftime and then wake up to the fourth quarter. The announcers are just so calming. And then it's like chilly out. You're just snuggled up on the couch. I fell asleep on Sunday like that. We were supposed to go to the baseball game on Sunday, and that's when they made the playoffs. But I didn't. Oh, wait. Where is Brian at? Did the Orioles win last night? Because I got to give it to Brian if they did. Okay, Lavender. Oh, finally. He updated his picture. I love it. Another Green Day Red is Sim and Q later to go, and then I'm done for the day. Awesome, awesome. Yes, the bot is $500 for 21 days, and then $1,000 every month after that. If you want more information, just email us. Why are you not doing it? JSIS, that's a member-only conversation. So we have specific days that certain things don't run. Let's go. We got to break that 53.3. But yeah. So gold is annoying as fuck since NQ release. I'm going to fill the spot with ES early. Well, Gregory, you should be running ES early anyway. ES early is thebomb.com. And I wouldn't call it annoying as fuck. Usually it goes pretty fast. Oops, How did I just do that? Guaranteed green. Wake up. Wake up. Wake. Tony, are you still driving? Where's Austin? Guaranteed green on gold. Oh my. I'm going to sample your typing. Oh my god, no, for real. That's actually a really good idea. Here she goes. I love that. I actually really like that idea. Listen, I actually want to hit target gold. Can you break? Here, we're down at the 53.3. Yes, let's go. No. Come back. Come back. I don't want the offset. I want the full win. I want the full win. After this trade, I'm getting off. All right. What was that, $100? Yes. Okay. All right. It's 10:13. What a boring ass day. NQ early hit. ES early hit. We'll see no night trades. We'll see. Jen will be live at 2 to 3 p.m. Left my so I turned it down just in case. Have a great day. And, yeah, tomorrow's FOMC, so it's probably going to be slow as crap in the morning tomorrow, too. It was a great day, actually. Love you. Thank you. All right. Bye. See you at 2 p.m. Jen will talk more about the Vegas trip because soon enough, it's going to be the first week of October. Bye.